Good morning and welcome to Pokupan Stand with Obed here on YouTube. Sani Egusuba Munkaya no channel ni Dian Kasa na Obed TV by Sadino and Pokupan Stand, which is a dedication to the lover and supporter Machre. Tia no pure Kotoko news. Enti Pokupan Stand no aje so pure Kotoko news. Na ma bibia koye ntu ba subscribe and yes I say mu bi o ha mo ba YouTube na ma search ebia Obed TV no ma have video for aba na ma he, which is nice, but ebeka cannot search Obed TV they ka copy a different channel. I bia ba be hu say Obed say me am wo ho, but dey wo ho no enye Kotoko news. So we are interested in Kotoko news, there subscribe to the channel, subscribe to channel where there will be a subscription button or so. Send here eventually as I said in the Pokupan Stand. Once they are changing logo, are changing banner. By next week you can say make changes in the banner sana and I'm so subscribe no attend notification bell on video ne buy a phone so direct no ahead. Emma won't miss the Kotoko news because movie or her. Their story be end that must have a visa. Because one subscribe it, take their video on when who pay daily update on Kotoko, a Pokupan Stand with Obed to subscribe to the channel. Young concept so first clarifications and I mean some Dawson. Dear Hopa. First clarifications Asante Kotoko players. The month of January, on market ya Penifwetria and Dada. A kenny. Take it from your Pokupan Stand. Said the IMC of Asante Kotoko, Etia Asante Kotoko players, or salary, January, around bed 27th, number is near sorted. Nti Sabra no Kasei, Kotoko and Dini players ka, a kebi enim. There is no form of debt or arrears, ewum. Christmas or moji kudi. Ena afefo froso ye dia mom nti se wote se enamabonten se Kotoko players eka wo mu a ka che nipa ne se Pokupan Stand with Obed say ekenim. On the one thing that you just can't take away from this IMC, they might have their flaws, but one thing you can't take away from this IMC near say when it comes to the payment of players salaries, when it comes to the payment of players' salaries and the Omanake Canada, they've been top notch. Papa, quick, need them, papa, need them, papa, need them. Nti Kotoko players ka. Shannon Somame. Ewe yunkomodia yedi. This is coming from Pokupan Stand and I confirmed. Name de man. Kotoko started training last week. My training now, but Momumbo any friendly game. News say ba me de man say future stars. Also mo ejoso. Okesi Park. I want me training. So we check it last season now. This season you best start here. Teams are Kotoko ni omo ball no na womo ka. Kotoko show mo 1-0. Good. 1-0 na Kotoko show mo Okesi Park. Na on say and then second, Kotoko first game Karela 18th ewo MTN FA Cup. Inti ehumbe hia say on start ahoboam on start abobo matches no. Inti omo future stars. Eye ochana ewo da Adakwajache Sports Complex. Ho ene Kumasi Asante Kotoko home. Na ebe the first friendly game Asante Kotoko in the year 2024. On the 2024, you got to ball. First competitive match will be against Karela Tamale. That is the FA Cup. Now the first league, Heart of Lions. Yeah, Pandu and Nahohoi. Sanity. The future stars friendly nebe bason. You know that Pokupan Stand. Ebe urem na yakwako fansem ni nyina die wo nyina ede abrel. Na yento ansem no so enra. And he intercepted a video of Rashid Nortey Asante Kotoko player intercepting video na ohe training na Rashid Nortey odia na no hye me ma me kasa no enya tintin bebre kasa tintin wo yi entoponko enti Porcupine stand the video intercept of Rashid Nortey's personal training ena ye de bro me de mawia na yakemu no me de atwaso ama won say makansen bebre about Rashid Nortey and sanam the video no kra be bantie story ne ba bonten Rashid ye training wakoto me ka kem senya no kra. I said it emphatically that it is not true. I had somebody come say Obed you sure am say o dey new Jimmy India wa akoko training grounds on wa akoko okokra bon se Kotoko manya nyoma foforo bi eno me aba ka ho asem da foforo to the wa akoko oko training grounds on ahu Rashid Nortey ba na be unsubscribe to my account. I told the person on phone so oko na hu na oba but unsubscribe to my account. Enti ye capture them so on buy and ye capture them so on Kotoko nye training. But they intercepting the video or ye training to the shebi. Na uya na me de diakano about the twaso at the amount of Porcupine stand with Obed.
That's 7. Let's go. Now give me 15. That's 8. Let's go. Nice one. I like this now. Let's go. 9. Let's go. 10. 5 more to go. Let's go. 1. Let's go. Good. 2. Let's go. 3. Let's go. And the jump in the top. In the top. That is it. Let's go. Nice one, go. Take the top. Go. Boom. That's it. Let's go. Let's go. Inside. That's it. That's one. Move it, man.
Rashid here jumping na holding the strength, upper strength and lower strength exercise. And na physical formation is strengthening exercise, muscles strengthening exercise. And na brand ni yebia. Because the video ni chire penyin bi terms or the man ni bi na make chire won oboa meboa. But on no more twanto. Mze training where strengthen. Once ukuta bibi nti you hold it. Ukuta bibi na no your upper part no. And I will jump near lower part no. To strengthen upper and lower and muscles no. Because muscles in the hold are there firm. And maybe be a etimi ko yi nti or strengthen the muscles. Now clearly to moon say kase obetimi abokotoko this season you need to expect to see. But me the video actually means the boy is trying to come back. Rasta Rashid Obakot kono onye Rasta. Nti ha okotre fie no na. The street na fuka kra na on the Rasta na baka kra e ban person locks no. E ban kakra ne kakra. One thing that I know officially is Kotoko unregistered Rashid Nortey. He's not in the Kotoko system. Nicholas Mensah was registered. Rashid Nortey was not registered. And for what I know, the likelihood that he will return to come and train with Asante Kotoko, and I'm using this opportunity to also clarify it. Say our form. A bare 90% say he will not return. Bare 10% so yes, he's still a Kotoko player because officially the contract has not been terminated. But this is to let you know, say, Osha, how do you see his fitness? Fitness is exercise. How do you assess the fitness of Abrante and Rashid Nortey? And your cosign get to be or me de amount. How do Fatawu Safiu story no? Me chanitiane ebi a few a channel kono can one same. Yes, men can one same. My car 7 pa. Inti enemy yini go. On say me catch him said there will be a meeting between Abdul Fatawu Safiu and Coach Akwesi Appiah. And no meeting but it was not a face-to-face meeting. Jimmy, na enye te na tena ha ne ndi nkomo ne bi se ne onu chinchim camera na enye no bi omo di nkomo e wo phone so na nsana me de nkomodie no nsem bebro na happen na obenya Porcupine stamp na obenya ana se na mopay a me call Yerepa FM me kwa na makoka so wo ho na the team or passports near discuss it because me almost on say top guys to be also the ne de beba na nyina discuss it. Kotoko a bro mo signing up the Fatawu Safiu. Porcupine stand with Obed can officially confirm it to you say Kotoko had a protection clause in the contract. A protection clause in the contract. And right on your passports near the Ed Monaka at Chenkomo. Now I cited the example of Musa Adingra. Say Kotoko contract in Sinsemono. Clause shim ma play biya say sign no. Now later club need discover so we are medically unfit to play for the club. And as a hidden injury. When disclose one chair club now, the club can terminate your contract. And Monaka, I can say no, a broth ye din komo your passports. Josia Nubi, and I could Kujina woman terminated the contract of Musa Adingra during the era of Dr. Kwame Cheyi and George Amuakone and Monaka and Nana Kwame Dan Kwamono. Jomu Yusu Yenono. Last season, Thomas Pele, ye didn't come on that same condition, and will be an Kotoko Yusu ye terminated the contract of Thomas Pele after say Omon Feli Thomas Pele. Our discover say our injuries you Fatawu Porcupine stand can officially confirm it to you say Kotoko a protection clause. Na protection clause no the tiani say a Kotoko some kind of support in any legal battle ebra almost terminated the contract of Abdul Fatawu Safiu. Na clause na nkasa na kakra metimi aka fa on say me dem aso toto fom no on ye Porcupine stand ye wure mu de ya ye tiba, and that is why you should subscribe to this channel no. Information a pick here say nation said in 2 months time say bosu mienu eda abrantie nanim no contract no say medically bibia pie na hardwen a Kotoko betimi yusu e de terminate boy no contract ntie no e de da ho a me dey ma on the legal aspect of the conversation yembra enra kwesi apia nkomo no so. Subscribe to the channel. We so subscribe and yes sir la kroba be search se Obed TV no na mete wona me ye interview foforo na enye Kotoko nsem to Kotoko nsem no eye Porcupine stand na enra phone conversation no course. Now proud to the phone conversation na me nim se munyina mo nim the stance of Kumasi Asante Kotoko on Abdul Fatawu Safiu 24% on terminate contract. Now player no so a stance a ball no obetimi abo omama na time obetimi abo. And now supporters no normally divided me catch the same penny for supporters ni be say their management we almost tower matching supporters in penny for ni be so say there be player be say yan tone ntwene e ma nkomo no kra no supporter penny ba akokra ka so say Nicholas ye nim de obetimi ama Kotoko ntino ne ba ya afemu on Kotoko ama brante na tena ho abo ama yese asom obebo ye nyina ani age obi bo Julius Ofori Zigidin e won komonum say no mo am penifo no kofa ne ba first round no wan even 3 matches but say still with team no am ye nya abotra ma ne recover nti na a conversation na we to be na we are to be enye say ntokwa o. But some of the supporters felt management there nye others felt yenya abotre nti enro e bro mu dim komo no the intercept here say for now Porcupine stand can officially confirm it to you say the termination conversation is being put on hold. Porcupine Stand can officially confirm it to you that the termination condition is being put on hold. Na omoto aso kire mu se nkomo no say no decision ye say abrante no wogidie don say coach Akwasi Apia can say there be on force player ogum so don timi fa player and she ogum kon by force. Inti the technical team is treating Fatawu Safiu like a former player, and they are adding the human touch in the conversation. And untino omo decided say Fatawu Safiu enya dia ombe terminate contract ne say abrantie ne se ogidie se club ne ma ne mra obetimi a recover aba abebo with gym the boy ni propose o manage gym kakra na ansa no aba park ne so a omama ne sa time no nti enra it was concluded say omoma Fatawu Safiu 3 weeks say onfanye personal training. Na after 3 weeks no ombra training grounds na ombe boni yenhwe say no oba na obetimi defeat what the MRS can make no what the medical team make na so otimi bobo ema obi ehun say obo a no problem, contract continues. But after that space no me dey amano no say when timi ankobo when Timian return ambe ye bibia no buy ya na still na ye pre-plan dia, then the club will consider the contract termination again, or the contract termination will be back on the sheet. Enti obi catch na say Kotoko terminate Fatawu Safiu contract catch and say Obed or Porcupine Stand say enya no kore. Mama ni 3 weeks son koye ono ani training. Ti di obeye no mu bia de okoye o motowa se also moto no aba near the West Park so ne ahwe, because I say there was section of the Kotoko fans almost say I say news ba bontin say blame timi mbo ba blame ti Fatawu de na ma yem hwe medical no nko ani empiansi nchen yem ma ne space no ti no the update on Fatawu Safiu Porcupine Stand with Obed me de airman na also watimi ehu de koso wo kokotie ti news ne wo mu nyina no na me de ama na de aka me de ka on say ene expect time a me video abo 9:15 expect say Kumasi Asante Kotoko the release ebeba on Fatawu Safiu nkomodie no because player and say club no among cambo no mon justify issues no na among put to an end to the various speculations. An official statement is expected to come from the camp of Kumasi Asante Kotoko on Fatawu Safiu 50-50. Either say club no be lay low on be your money or they will still bring it. And we are there, but enye confirmed. But in command, it was proposed during Akwasi Apia and Fatawu Safiu's conversation, saying a statement be bad, na akame supporters ne down, na akame obia down. But ansana statement be bano. Na se Obed through Porcupine Stand. Me wuremu akofadi wom edi abro. Nti ana me de manu besi. Contract not terminated officially. Omo terminate because omo terminate say player sign na club ne sign, but the wo no e na mabọ ne tofa e so ne so the ba bonten a supporters ne tie ye no ma so ne so na me de abro ye be hia enumre. Don't forget to subscribe to Porcupine Stand so that you don't miss the awesome stuff ye prepare at the aba. Come on, bye bye.